In most professional environments, visibility is treated as currency. Be seen, be heard, be recognized. But visibility is often mistaken for leverage. This video explains why visibility is a weak substitute for real influence, and how operators build leverage long before anyone notices. Visibility feels rewarding because it produces immediate signals. Attention, recognition, approval. These signals create the illusion of progress, even when nothing structural has changed. Visibility increases awareness, not authority. People may know who you are, without needing you. When visibility isn't tied to decision-making or system design, it remains cosmetic. Systems don't care who is visible. They care who reduces friction, resolves uncertainty, and stabilizes outcomes. Visibility without leverage doesn't change where work or decisions flow. As visibility rises, requests increase. Meetings, messages, interruptions. Without leverage, visibility amplifies workload instead of influence. Operators focus on becoming structurally necessary. They redesign processes, frameworks, or decisions, so outcomes depend on their input. Recognition becomes inevitable, but secondary. The most powerful leverage rarely looks impressive while forming. It often looks slow, invisible, or unproductive. This is why most people abandon it early. Systems reward consistency over charisma. Being reliably right, clear, or stabilizing creates trust. Trust roots decisions. Visibility alone does not. Visibility isn't useless. It just works best after leverage exists. When visibility amplifies structural influence, it accelerates outcomes instead of draining energy. Operators delay visibility to avoid becoming execution magnets. They wait until their role shapes systems, not just workloads. That timing matters. Roles built on visibility require constant output. Roles built on leverage continue working even when attention fades. This difference compounds over years. Visibility feels like momentum. Leverage creates outcomes. If attention doesn't change how decisions are made, It's decoration, not power.